DJ Bongs is accused of failing to pay his waiters their salaries. Legendary singer and producer DJ Bongs is at it again. The Kwara Kwara hitmaker, who doubles up as the businessman, is accused of not paying his waiters their salaries from his View nightclub based in Durban in KwaZulu-Natal. Real name Bongani Dlamini Ngcobo from KwaNdengezi outside Durban in KZN. DJ Bongs is not only facing a backlash over non-payment of his waiters. View's manager Austin Khuzwayo allegedly resigned after they had a fight over his salary. As if that was not enough, DJ Bongs is allegedly financially imbalanced as Views may be closed anytime soon, as he is said to be battling with operating it. Things are bad, really bad, my brother. For the past 3 weeks, we have been fighting over salaries of the waiters, and he's not explaining anything to anyone except telling us one and the same thing, that he will sort us out. When you ask for a timeline, there is no timeline. I decided to quit being a waiter because it was draining me emotionally and financially, said one of the 6 waiters that quit working at Views. Another waiter said, I realized that things were bad when 2 managers were hired in a space of 3 weeks. The last manager decided to compensate himself with the company cell phone, which had all the social media accounts of Views. They had to create new accounts because the manager left with the company cell phone after they failed to pay him his salary. When former manager Austin Khuzwayo was contacted for comment, he refused to comment and hang up. Attempts to get comment from Bongs proved fruitless as his phone rang unanswered. WhatsApp messages were sent, but he did not reply to any of them. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. What do you think about this video?